like this photo. You look so stunning.
Can I see? Mom, nagmana lang ako sa'yo. My beauty queen, philanthropist mother, Patricia Valdez Engalo.
Is this still going on?
Ang alin, Mom?
You and that Lorena De Leon son, Ino. Trixie, I'm just reminding you that Ino's mother is the sponsor of that Lilette, kaya siya nakapag-abogado. Don't you get my point?
Mom, Ino is not his parents. Wala siyang kinalaman kay Lilette.
What if maging seryoso yung relationship ninyo? That means na magkakalink ulit tayo doon sa Lilette na yon.
Sinabi ko naman kay Ino na wala akong kinalaman kay Lilette, na I don't know her personally.
But let's say na maging kayo na. Tapos magkakaroon ng meeting with the parents. Andun din yung Lilette na yon. Does she even know kung ano yung narrative na hindi kayo magkakilala?
Mom, oh my gosh! Meet the parents na agad. Can you please stop overreacting? Yes, I like him, I'm interested in him, pero I'm still open for others, okay? So don't overreact.
Trixie, seriously, you need to cut the connection. Hindi tayo pwedeng malink dyan sa Lilette na yan. That phase is done. Ayoko nang bumalik pa sa bangungot na yon.
Chill, Mom. I got this. Why do you look so busy, Mom?
I'm just checking the list na kakailanganin para dito sa community outreach ng Big Hugs Foundation.
Tuloy na pala ang reviving ng charity work era mo, ha, Mom? Just like what Ino's mom is doing to Lilette. From scholar to actually working in the firm of Ino's dad.
Ganun ba talaga ka-relevant ang life ng Lilette na yon sa lugay friend mo para mapasok siya sa mga usapan niyo?
Mom, hindi naman laging nabibring up. Saka napag-usapan lang namin because of nag-investigation kami sa social media ni Ino.
You know, whenever I'm reminded of that Lilette and what she's done to our family, especially to your dad, na hanggang ngayon is still healing himself from all the things that Lilette has done to him. Alam mo, if you have to disengage yourself from that guy friend of yours, do it. Ilayo mo na lang yung sarili mo sa mga Lilette-related concerns na yan. Actually, she's becoming a threat once again to our lives.
But come to think of it, Mom, this thing with Ino, is it really a threat or an opportunity?
Opportunity for what? To give me a nervous breakdown?
Mom, can't you see? It's an avenue for us para masira si Lilette sa mga De Leon through Ino. Kaya, baka pwede namang maging close pa kami ni Ino.
Are you suggesting breaking up her current support system?
It's a win-win for us, Mom. I'm getting to know more of Ino and discreetly nating napapasipa sa mga life natin si Lilith. Just a thought, Mom. Unless ayaw mo talaga akong maging friends with Ino.
Trixie, mag-iingat ka ha. dahil may lahing witch ang kutong lupang yan. Pero mo nga naman, sa dinami-dami ng tao dito sa buong Pilipinas, I can't believe na si Lilette ay magiging associated sa kaibigan mong si Ino. Wow.